Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I will show you how to use zoom on this laptop screen. So the quick way to enable zoom is by pressing Windows and plus buttons at the same time, and this will enable this bar you can see and also the zoom, as you could have noticed. And now to change the zoom level you have to use these two icons, minus and plus. To reset the zoom size, use these two icons, and to read text from the screen, use this play button. Now if you want to select a specific spot from which you want to start reading, click this icon and then select the element that you want to read aloud. Now in settings, you can change the speed of the magnifier by moving the slider either to the left or to the right. And you can also change the voice of the reader, and you can access more magnifier settings by clicking right here. But if you want to know how to enter from the start, enter the settings from the start, open the start menu, settings, then scroll down to accessibility section right here, open it, then select magnifier, and in these settings you can enable magnifier by switching this toggle to the right. You can also change the zoom and increment level right here, and most importantly you can change the view. So you just show the full screen view of the magnifier. It also has the docked view, which looks like this, and the last option is the lens view. And now each of these views has its own settings. So for example, if you tap on the view itself, you'll be able to access the settings of each magnifier. So for the lens magnifier, you can only change the width and the height of the lens to adjust it to your needs. Now for the docked magnifier, you have the option to make magnifier follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor or narrator cursor. Basically, of course, they are all now selected, but if you unselect one of these, the magnifier will stop following these elements, one of these elements. Now if you we switch to full screen magnifier and go to settings, then we'll have the very same option right here, but you can also scroll down and select and change two additional settings. You can decide whether you want to keep your mouse pointer and narrator and the text cursor within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. Now if you keep, for example, the mouse pointer centered on the screen, then the magnifier will look like this. So I hope you see the difference, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.